Welcome to our tours where you can visit outstanding farms, to wonderful lake properties and everything in between. 10-acre parcel with custom-built home in desirable area of Romeo Meadows is surrounded by beautiful farms and rolling hills. The high elevation of the property provides breathtaking sunsets and sunrises, adding to its charm. Fenced pastures allow for horses or cattle, and you have the option to add a barn and create your own mini farm. Custom one-owner property features a well-designed floor plan with a split-bedroom layout. It offers privacy and separation between the master suite and other bedrooms. The kitchen is the highlight of the home, featuring granite countertops, wood cabinets and a convenient island for food preparation. The stainless steel appliances add a modern touch and make cooking a pleasure. Close proximity to the Rainbow River, City of Dunnellon, hiking trails and Crystal River mean you'll have plenty of opportunity to explore and enjoy outdoor activities.